Overdrive, commonly abbreviated as OD, is a crucial transmission feature that many drivers don't fully understand. Let's explore what it is and how it works. Overdrive is a gear ratio where the transmission output shaft rotates faster than the input shaft from the engine. This is the opposite of what happens in lower gears. Overdrive provides three main benefits. First, it reduces engine RPM at highway speeds. Second, this leads to improved fuel economy of approximately 10 to 15%. Third, lower RPMs mean less engine wear over time. In older Nissan models from 2019 and earlier, overdrive was controlled manually using a button. This button, marked OD or overdrive, allowed drivers to turn the feature on or off as needed. Modern Nissan vehicles from 2020 onwards use continuously variable transmissions or CVT. The Xtronic CVT automatically optimizes gear ratios, eliminating the need for manual overdrive control. Unlike traditional transmissions with fixed gears, CVT uses a system of pulleys and chains to provide infinite gear ratios. This allows the engine to always operate at its most efficient RPM. The key difference is that older Nissan models require manual overdrive control, while modern vehicles with CVT handle this automatically. Both systems achieve the same goal of improving fuel economy and reducing engine wear. The overdrive button location varies depending on your Nissan model and year. Most traditional automatic transmission Nissans have the button in one of two main locations. In most Nissan sedans and SUVs with traditional automatics, you'll find the OD button on the gear shifter itself, either on the end or side of the shifter handle. In Nissan truck models like the Frontier and Titan, the overdrive button is typically located on the dashboard near the transmission controls. Activating overdrive is simple. When you start your Nissan, overdrive is typically on by default. The button works as a toggle. Press it once to turn overdrive off, press again to turn it back on. When overdrive is disabled, your dashboard will display an OD off indicator light to let you know the system is not active. For optimal performance and fuel economy, keep overdrive on for highway driving above 45 to 50 miles per hour and normal city conditions. Turn overdrive off when towing heavy loads, climbing steep hills, or when you need engine braking on downhill grades. Remember, the overdrive button is your tool for optimizing transmission performance. Whether it's on your gear shifter or dashboard, one simple press toggles the system to match your driving needs.